Oh, we jumping down.
Yeah. I'm beating the crap out of this truck. Don't fucking do it, stupid. What's up, guys? Welcome to the very first episode of Dirt Nation. I'm really excited. So what we're doing today is we're in Lucerne Valley. We're off Camp Rock Road, and we're going to be doing a run for about 70 miles up to Newberry Springs. So we're going north that way, and then it's going to drop us off right off near the 15, near the Abandoned Waterpark. So we're going to check out the Abandoned Waterpark, then we're going to go check out Calico, and who knows what else happens. We'll see how much time there is in the day, but you guys enjoy it, and we'll have a lot of fun. See you later. I showed you this already. Now Carlos decided to point out and ruin my day that I did this. I don't even know what I hit. That didn't sound good.
That was your rim. That was your rim.
There's another one over there. God damn it. So here we are, we're at a Delores Waterpark. It's the abandoned water park right off the 15 freeway. I've been here before. You see a lot of truck shots, and I've done some drone videos. I'm probably going to do some more right now so you guys enjoy all that drone junk. But if you're looking for some dope-ass truck shots, this is the place to go. Right off the 15 freeway. It's easy to find. You take a dirt road to get to it. Sometimes there is a gate up, so you got to be careful with that. But this is a dope spot, so come check it out. No, guys, this is supposed to be the most epic episode of Dirt Nation ever. It's supposed to be the first one, but the L's are continuing. I crashed my drone. Battery popped out. Thing's all cracked, the wing sucks, but it still flies, so not that much of an L. All done with the water park. Right now we're headed up to say what up to George. Right now we're headed up to through Calico, taking some back roads. George is gonna get on camera duty. No, because I'm driving. We're officially in Calico now. Ready for rock crawling, all kinds of goodies. No more pre-running, no more damaging my truck. All fun now. First up is Carlos. Keep that line.
Then you park your head there and I'll grab my KU.
All right. That's it, we're all done. We just finished up through Calico. We're about to get back on the highway, go get some food. I had a lot of fun, guys. We definitely beat the crap out of our trucks. I'll definitely come up with a full damage report and show that to you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. That was the very first episode of Dirt Nation. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow Dirtnation Offroad on Instagram, where we're posting all this stuff. We'll post some behind the scenes. We're featuring the trucks that have been on this run with us. And make sure to follow 420 Motors on Instagram, as well as subscribe on YouTube, and check out DirtDays, because they were running with us as well. I'll leave all the links in the bio below, so make sure you follow those, check them out, and thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again next time.